They come and do like the MGM and Epcot. Stay at one of these resorts. It'd be
Yeah.
awesome.
Maybe the Ariel one.
Or the Riviera one. That's nice.
The Ariel that has a lot of fish.
Halloween!
Who's that?
Scary.
They're starting their Halloween, babe.
Oh yeah. Is
Yeah.
that Encanto?
Encanto, yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you call it? What's his name?
Yeah, I know.
Stitch.
CJ
Peter
loves
Pan?
it. CJ, don't sleep, huh?
Monsters. Yeah, he's tired.
He's ready for nap?
Yeah. Monsters Inc. What do you think, CJ?
Again.
No, you can't ask anymore. Remember? That was the last time.
You didn't feel my heart.
Marami talaga dito mga puno.
Who's that? We didn't watch that.
I don't know.
It's like a chipmunks.
Chipmunks. You're like a chipmunk, Mom.
No, I'm not a chipmunk. You are the chipmunks.
So, Daddy is a chipmunk.
You're chicken
The
pox.
chipmunks were...
Daddy is a chipmunk. He's a chicken.
It's slowed down.
Daddy is a rooster.
Daddy is a Daddy is mouse. Oh.
Ratatouille. Ratatouille.
Chewy mouse.
That's Peter Pan.
And who's okay? Don't lava.
There's DuckTales in front of us.
Huh?
That's DuckTales in front of us.
Where?
Uh-huh, yeah.
DuckTales.
DuckTales that has a lot of fortune.
Yep.
What's slow?
Yeah.
Maybe because the people who go down.
Yeah, they might
They
have
have-
somebody on a wheelchair, probably.
Oh, that's
You
right.
have to stop it.
Right.
Now we're moving. Get that wind going again.
This is nice. There's air conditioning too.
Yeah.
Wow. May aircon din dito.
That's just the wind.
The wind?
That's the windows up there.
Oh.
There's no aircon.
Oh, okay. I thought that's the easy.
No, they got the windows open. That's why.
We didn't see Star Wars.
No, that's the Hollywood Studios.
CG will like that. When he get older though. He will
Now he's
like
like a nap.
Look at you, look down.
right now he's just like
There's
Elsa,
Elsa.
Elsa,
Yep.
Krista, and
Yeah.
Spin.
that's the Ola.
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille is cooking. Ang lawak ng parking lot dito. Ayan. Daming mga pumupunta. Lalo na mga kaibigan kapag tawag dito, fall season. Medyo malamig-lamig na ng konti. Ay, punong-puno.
Moana.
Moana.
Okay, Mama.
We didn't ride the Moana yet.
We just forgot. You're not. We need to learn.
We cannot ride to go to Chef Mickey in here.
No, we gotta take a bus to Epcot, and we'll take the
Monorail canal.
monorail. Yep, she knows it. We take the monorail.
Monorail.
This trip is Agoy's birthday.
All right, get down.
I have to do first, okay? Me. Ako muna, be. Oops. Okay, Kushana, come here. Come here, honey. May mga nagbabantay talaga dito kasi baka yung mga bata ba pupunta doon. You've been sitting, honey. Babe, she wants the snack. You please grab. Hold on. We're gonna go right there. Huh? Wait lang, baba muna tayo kaya may mga tao sa likod natin. May mga tao, nag-stroller, hindi natin makuha yung snap nasa ilalim. We gonna find a seat somewhere, babe, so she can get the snap. Okay. Yes. Man. No, you cannot. You're not allowed to eat inside the bus, honey. No. We can eat. You're welcome. I wanna give her the snack right here for now. Just park. I'll grab it here. Okay. Sige. Anong gusto mo? Open.
Got it?
I give one. Put the cover for CJ. The son. Okay. Hawakan mo mabuti. Hawakan mo mabuti, nak. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ayan mga kaibigan, dami ng mga gustong sumakay. Hawakan mong maayos na, ganyan. Follow daddy. Ayan. Medyo nakakatakot siya nung una, pero pag matagal na, parang ang sarap pang bumalik-bumalik. Si CG na used to it na. Gusto mo akong humawak? Okay. Give some for CJ, sweetie. Bigyan mo kay CJ. Bigyan mo ka. Nakagusto. She wanna give CJ cracker. 16?
Go ahead. Yeah. It's about there already.
Pagod na si CJ. Balik muna kami sa aming resort. Okay? Magpahinga kasi mamaya punta kay Chef Mickey. Mayroong Chef Mickey si Agoy-Agoy mamaya. Ipanap muna si CJ boy. Wala pang sasakyan. Mag-ano kami, mag-bus kami. Dadalhin na kami doon sa sa aming yung hotel. Ipanap muna itong mga to para mamaya may energy na naman. Ligoy. Aligoy. Inom tayo ng tubig, goy, ha? Bigyan natin na ng tubig. Please hold this one, babe. I'll get them water.
TJ.
Goya. Shana.
I could use a water too.
One.
One for this.
I will hold CJ because Kishana want to sit down. Give him more.
Here's our bus.
Oh, the bus is coming? Ay, ay, ay. Give some po CJ. The bus is here, guys, so hindi na kailangan. Diyan ka na lang, huwag ka nang uupo. Babe, can you give me some? I wanna drink some. Thank you. Laging dehydrate. Nagbaon kami ng maraming tubig. Okay. Kishana, put the snack here. No snack allowed in the bus, okay? Thank you, sweetie. Okay. Alright. Come on, CJ boy. Remove this one, babe. I'm gonna get the bag. CJ. What is he doing, babe? He's cleaning up. Thank you for the birthday greetings, ni Agoy Agoy. So far, she's having fun. Balik muna kami sa hotel. Ayun mga kaibigan, oh, kung mayroon po ditong nagwi-wheelchair or ano yung mga sinakyan na mga ano, ang tawag din? Ayan. Oh, ganyan po ang bus dito. Mayroong ganyan. Pang ano yan siya, pang disabled. Okay. Kushana, you're gonna go down. Come here, Junior. Okay. Good morning. Sit here, honey. Sit here. Oh, you wanna go there? Okay. Go sit on the other side. Oh, okay, you sit there. Doon lang si Dada kaya may dala siya. Stroller. Gumugulong-gulong kasi yan pag hindi hawakan. Chipmunks. Yeah. It's Donald next to it. Behave naman sila. Ha? Thank you sa birthday greetings. Bukas walang pasok, so dito pa kami. Ito yung pinakamalaking Disney World sa buong mundo, mga kaibigan. Dito sa Orlando. Yung iba, mga kaibigan, pumupunta pa yung galing ibang like sa Europe, galing sa Spain, mga galing Russia, kasi maririnig mo yung mga boses nila ba, iba yung kanilang salita. Nagbabiyahe talaga sila kasi mayroon naman ditong Disney World vacation, parang vacation club ata yun. Dinadayo talaga ito dito ay. So kami, swerte na lang talaga dito tayo na estate. Hindi na tayo gagastos ng pang-eroplano. Ticket na lang. At saka yung hotel. You see? Yeah, she's seen it. Huh? Boat? Boat is not here yet. Walang boat dito. Aha. Magbabay na kami, mga kaibigan, ha. Thank you po. Kita lang tayo mamaya ulit. Salamat. Salamat po. Salamat sa greetings. Thank you.